If you're considering buying swipe pages for your landing page needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision, especially when compared to other competitors in the market like Unbounce or Lead Pages. Let's dive in. First, Swipe Pages offers a drag and drop editor, which makes it simple to create beautiful landing pages. Unlike Unbounce, which requires a bit more technical knowledge to fully utilize, Swipe Pages is built to be user-friendly, especially for beginners. It allows for easy customization without needing to touch any code. Next, the templates are a highlight. Swipe Pages offers a variety of pre-designed templates that are optimized for conversions, which is a major plus compared to Lead Pages, which can sometimes have outdated designs. These templates are responsive, meaning they look great on both desktop and mobile devices. If you're running ads, this can be a game changer. The third thing you need to know is about speed. Landing page load time matters for your conversion rates, and Swipe Pages focuses on high performance. In comparison to other options, Swipe pages tend to load faster, which is critical for reducing bounce rates and improving the user experience. Another important factor is pricing. While Swipe Pages offers reasonable pricing, it's still a bit higher than some alternatives like Lead Pages when you get to the advanced tiers. But it does come with additional features like unlimited integrations with email tools, CRMs, and payment platforms, which might justify the price for many users. Fifth, there's A/B testing. Swipe Pages includes built-in A/B testing, which is essential for optimizing your landing pages and increasing conversions. Some competitors, like Lead Pages, charge extra for this feature. With Swipe Pages, you can test different versions of your page without any additional cost. Next, integrations. Swipe Pages supports over 1,000 apps, including email marketing platforms, CRMs, and webinar tools. This is a major advantage over some competitors who have limited or less seamless integration options. If you rely on a lot of third-party tools, Swipe Pages makes it easier to connect everything. The seventh thing to keep in mind is that Swipe Pages includes automatic conversion optimization. This feature makes suggestions for improving your page's performance based on industry standards, which can be a helpful starting point for users who are unsure where to begin. While Unbounce also offers optimization tips, Swipe Pages' approach is more streamlined. Another thing to consider is customer support. Swipe Pages provides 24/7 live chat support, which is available for all plans. Compared to Unbounce and Lead Pages, which have limited support options unless you pay for premium plans, this is a solid benefit for those who might need help getting started or troubleshooting. The ninth thing is their mobile optimization. All Swipe Pages templates are designed with mobile users in mind, and the platform ensures that your landing pages will look great on all devices. Compared to other platforms, this ensures that you're not losing conversions from mobile traffic, which is increasingly important. Another point to consider is that Swipe Pages is lightweight. This makes it easier to manage for smaller teams or solo entrepreneurs who don't want to be bogged down with complex features. It's a simpler, more straightforward platform compared to some competitors that might overwhelm with options. 10th, customization options. While Swipe Pages is user-friendly, it also allows more advanced users to add custom code, giving you the flexibility to fully customize your landing page. This feature sets it apart from some of the more restrictive platforms like Instapage, which can lock users into their template system. The 11th thing to know is their focus on conversions. Swipe Pages includes built-in features like countdown timers, exit intent pop-ups, and form integrations that are proven to boost conversions. Some competitors offer these features, but often at an additional cost or through third-party integrations, which adds to the complexity. And the last thing is scalability. As your business grows, Swipe Pages offers a range of plans that can accommodate more traffic and complex needs. While their higher tier plans are more expensive than other options, the ability to scale with ease is an important factor to consider. Swipe Pages is a solid choice for creating high-converting landing pages, especially for beginners or those looking for an easy-to-use platform. But if you're looking for an even better option with more advanced features and flexibility, we recommend checking out our top solution, which you can try for free.